In this video guide, we will give you instructions on getting rid of Super PDF Converter Search.com browser hijacker. This is the hijacker that mainly attacks Google Chrome browser. It may attack both Windows and Mac computers, by the way. Super PDF Converter Search.com is of course the very long name for the website. But the point is that its authors advertise this tool as a helpful utility that can assist you in converting PDF files into other files or vice versa. However, they don't mention the fact that when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by searchly.com, or they may also be delivered by some other strange search engine. Sometimes they may be delivered by the decent search engine, but this doesn't mean that it was your choice to use it. So if you are not happy with all such amendments of your default search engine settings, consider getting rid of Super PDF Converter Search.com hijacker. This can be done by accessing the menu, clicking on More Tools, then choosing Extensions, and removing any related extensions that you might find here. I would also recommend that you check your available Mac applications. It could be that the system is messed up by some adware type program. So if you find its presence here, get rid of it. Finally, I strongly advise that you perform additional checkup of your Mac computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So after you successfully download and install the software, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. Then wait until the scanning is over to see the full report about your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode. However, the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.